Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we can discuss how to install apps from the App Store without Apple ID password. For example, if you open the App Store and if you look for any kind of app and if you want to download that app from the App Store and App Store asks for the password. For example, if I click on any kind of app here and if I click on that app, if you want to download that app, then it will always ask me the password. Now if you want to install apps without Apple ID password, so you have to watch this video completely. First of all, you have to close the App Store, and after that what you have to do is you have to simply click on the settings, and after that what you have to do is you have to scroll down, and here you have to click on App Store. And here what you have to do, you have to do some necessary setting. Here you have to click on automatic downloads and you have to allow all the tags related to download. After that you have to go back and you have to search for passwords here, and you have to simply click on the password. If you click on password, then here you can see that there is an option related to autofill password, so you have to turn off this toggle, and after that you have to go back. And after going back, what you have to do, you have to simply click on screen time here, and in screen time you have to click on content and privacy. In content and privacy you can easily find the option of iTunes and App Store here, and after that here you can see that there is option related to required password, so you have to click on don't require password. So after setting that, you have to go back again, and after that you have to go to settings again, and here you have to click on your Apple ID, and in Apple ID you have to click on media and purchases, and here you have to click on password settings, and here you can see that there is an option related to require password, and if you click on that, you have to make sure that that toggle is turned off, which means if it is turned on, then you have to turn on off, so that you can easily install apps from the Play Store without Apple ID password. So here you can see you have to simply click on done. After that, then it will ask the password after 15 minutes, which means you will always install apps without Apple ID. If ask password, you can simply cancel that. After that, here you can see that in this way you can simply install apps from the Play Store without password. Hope you have liked this video. If you want to get more videos like this, kindly subscribe our channel.